Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign up MyWisely account. So if you also want to sign up MyWisely account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Or you can also open the MyWisely application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in mywisely.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of MyWisely. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. You'll also be able to activate the card. Also, you'll be able to enroll for the new card. So if you want to log into your account, you can click on the login option that you can see right over here. If you want to sign up for Wisely account too, simply click on the login option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to new page. Over here, you'll be able to find two options: get started, login, or activate Wisely card. So if you want to get started, if you want to sign up for your account, simply click on the option get started. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now from here, you'll be able to sign up for your account. All you have to do is enter your card details over here. Keep in mind you must have your Wisely card in hand to complete this process. So what you have to do is enter your card number. Simply enter your card number. Now after that, what you have to do is enter the expiration date. First of all, enter month. After that, enter the year. Now after that, also enter the security code. Also enter your social security number over here. Now after you provide all of these details, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be able to create MyWisely account for yourself. All you have to do is create the username and password. Also verify your phone number and email. After that, you'll have to review your contact information. And after that, your account will be created. So that is how you sign up for MyWisely account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.